Think math.
How many functions are there from a domain of 3 elements to a codomain of 4? The answer is 64. Not 12, which is 3 times 4. Not 24, which is 4 times 3 times 2. 4 cubed, 64. Follow where that number comes from and you will see that counting functions is really a matter of filling slots. First, let us be precise about what a function is. A function pairs every element of the domain with exactly one element of the codomain. There are only 2 things to respect. Nothing may be left out, and no element may go to 2 places at once. The codomain, on the other hand, is free. An element may receive nothing at all, and several may crowd on to one. Now let us settle them one at a time. How many places can the first element go to? The whole codomain, 4 places. What about the second? It does not matter where the first one went. Overlap is allowed, so the pool is still 4. The third is 4 as well. So 4 times 4 times 4, 4 cubed, gives 64. Now let us add one condition. Different elements must land on different places. That is what we call a one-to-one function. Once the first element uses one of the 4, the second has to choose from the remaining 3. The third has 2. 4 times 3 times 2 is 24. That is exactly 4p3. A permutation, plain and simple. So why is this a permutation and not a combination? If you only look at which 3 places get used, it does resemble a combination. But a function does not stop there. Sending the first element to A and the second to B is a different function from sending the first to B and the second to A. The elements of the domain are distinguishable. You have to decide not only which places are used, but who goes where, and that is what keeps the order alive. Counting functions is filling slots. If overlap is allowed, multiply. If not, it is a permutation. A sip of math every day here at Think Math.